50. Lot 220, the 1969 Mercedes 280 SL Pagoda, a timeless classic that has had just 2 owners from new and retains both its hard and soft tops, and was outfitted new with the 4-speed automatic and air conditioning as well. After a recent restoration, this is one of the most stylish Mercedes in history, the 1969 280 SL.
Thank you very much, Alan. This car really does have a great look to it, ladies and gentlemen. Lots of interest in the little 280 SL Pagoda. What can we say? Where do you want to start me? $60,000? Lots of interest, lots of hands. I've got 2 of you. I'm taking you closer to me at $60,000. Do I have 80,000 anywhere now? At 60,000, the bid with you, sir, at 60,000. Do I have 80 anywhere now? At $60,000. And selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. Make no mistake, thank you. 80,000 seated bid at 80,000 in the back here on my right at $80,000. Do I have 90 now? Do I have 90 now? I'm selling the car. 90, thank you very much. 90,000. 90,000, well worth the money. $100,000 I have. 110 if you like. 110,000. Back in with me here at $110,000. 120 if you like, sir. Give me a wave. Thank you. 120,000. 120,000. Are you sure, sir? What are you going to drive home this evening? Walk? Taxi? Mercedes would be a good thing to have. Ah, you're waiting for the next one. Fair enough, at $120,000, then it's your car at the moment. I'm selling, make no mistake, at $120,000, and it's selling all the way, of course, ladies and gentlemen, offered here without reserve. It's going then for the first time. I'm selling the car, ladies and gentlemen, at just $120,000. It's selling here for the second time. 125, thank you very much. 125,000 seated on the telephone bid desk. Can you say 5 more? No? Why on earth not, sir? Seems like a very rash decision to me. At just $125,000, you won't bid me 5 more? My goodness. Well, at $125,000, I shall sell here on the telephone bid desk, and it's going for the first time. At $125,000, it's going for the second time. What a great buy this is. I cannot quite believe it, but I am selling the car, ladies and gentlemen. Make absolutely $130,000. Good thing Jacqueline's here. Thank you, well spotted. 135 now. 135 now. Thank you. 135,000. 135,000 on the internet at 135,000. Do I have 140 now? Do I have 140 now? We're at $135,000. Do I have 140? Well, I'm selling on the internet again at $135,000. It's going for the first time. At $135,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. If I have no better bid at $135,000, then are we all done? All finished? Are you sure? Sold. 135,000. 11. Thank you. $135,000.